Hello, welcome to Healthcare Pharmacy.
Hello, good morning.
How can I help you today?
I need some medicine, please.
Of course. Are you looking for something specific?
I am not sure where to look.
That is completely fine.
Is this the main counter for medicine?
Yes, this is the main counter.
Great. I have a few questions.
I am happy to answer them.
Do I need a doctor's paper for everything?
No, many items do not need a prescription.
Oh, that is good to know.
What kind of problem are you having today?
I feel a little sick today.
Let us find the right item for you.
Thank you for your help.
What are your main symptoms?
I have a bad cold.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I feel warm and hot.
Do you also have a cough?
Yes, my throat hurts when I cough.
I understand. How long have you felt like this?
It started 2 days ago.
Okay, here is a good cold medicine.
Is this for daytime or nighttime?
This one is for daytime.
Will it make me sleepy?
No, it is a non-drowsy formula.
That is perfect for work.
We also have syrup for your sore throat.
Should I take both together?
Yes, they work well together.
Okay, I will take both.
Great choice. Let us put them in your basket.
Thank you so much.
Do you have anything for a headache?
Yes, we have several options for pain relief.
Is your pain mild or strong?
It is quite strong today. You can take paracetamol or ibuprofen.
What is the main difference?
Paracetamol is gentle on your stomach.
And what about ibuprofen?
Ibuprofen reduces swelling and pain faster.
My stomach gets upset easily.
Then paracetamol is better for you.
How many pills come in a box?
This box has 20 tablets. How fast does it work? It usually works in 30 minutes.
That sounds very good.
Here is the small box for you.
Excellent, thank you. My eyes are itchy and watery today. Do you have allergies? Yes, I think it is spring allergy. Are you sneezing a lot too? Yes, I sneeze every morning. I recommend these allergy pills. How often do I take them? Just take 1 pill every day. Should I take it in the morning? Yes, taking it with breakfast is best. Will this pill make me tired? No, these are non-drowsy allergy pills. That is very important for me. It will stop your itchy eyes quickly. Does it help with a runny nose? Yes, it helps all your allergy symptoms. I will buy 1 box, please. Here you go. Excuse me, my stomach hurts. What kind of stomach pain is it? I feel full and uncomfortable. Did you eat something heavy today? Yes, I had a big lunch. It sounds like indigestion. Do you have antacid tablets? Yes, we have liquid and chewable tablets. Which one works faster? The chewable tablets work very fast. What flavor are they? We have mint and fruit flavors. Mint flavor sounds nice. Chew 2 tablets after your meal. Can I chew them right now? Yes, you can take them immediately. Perfect. I will buy this mint one. You will feel better soon. Where can I find bandages? They are right here in section 3. I cut my finger yesterday. Is the cut deep or small? It is just a small cut. You need waterproof bandages. Do you have antiseptic cream too? Yes, antiseptic cream stops infections. Should I wash the cut first? Yes, wash it with clean water first. Then apply the cream? Correct. Apply cream and put on a bandage. How many bandages are in this box? There are 30 bandages in different sizes. That is a good size box. We also have medical tape if needed. Just the bandages and cream is fine. Great, here are both items. I have a red rash on my arm. Does the skin feel dry or itchy? Yes, it is very dry and itchy. Did you use a new soap today? Yes, I tried a new body wash. You might have sensitive skin. Is there a soothing cream for this? This soothing hydrocortisone cream helps a lot. How many times a day do I apply it? Apply a thin layer twice a day. Should I rub it in gently? Yes, gently rub it into the skin. Is it safe for daily use? Use it for up to 1 week only. Okay, I understand. If it gets worse, please see a doctor. I will keep that in mind. Here is your skin cream. I have very dry eyes today. Do you work on a computer often? Yes, I work on a computer all day. Computer screens make your eyes dry. Can I get lubricating eye drops? Yes, these drops refresh your eyes quickly. Are they safe for contact lenses? Do you wear contact lenses right now? Yes, I wear soft contact lenses. Then you need preservative-free eye drops. Do you have those in stock? Yes, these single-use drops are perfect for lenses. How many drops per eye? Put 1 or 2 drops in each eye. How often can I use them? You can use them whenever your eyes feel dry. That sounds very convenient. I will put this box in your basket.
I want to stay healthy this winter. Taking daily vitamins is a great idea. Which vitamin is best for energy? Vitamin B complex helps with daily energy. What about my immune system? Vitamin C and zinc support immunity. Do you have a daily multivitamin? Yes, this multivitamin has all essential nutrients. Is it a big tablet to swallow? We have tablets and chewable gummies. I prefer chewable gummies. These orange flavor gummies taste great. How many gummies do I take each day? Take 2 gummies every morning with food. How many days does 1 bottle last? 1 bottle lasts for 1 month. That is perfect for me. Let us add this to your items. Hello, I have a prescription from my doctor. Hello, may I see your paper, please? Here is the paper from the hospital. Thank you. Let me check the details. Is everything clear on the paper? Yes, the doctor's handwriting is clear. Do you have this medicine available? Yes, we have this medicine in our pharmacy. How long will it take to prepare? It will take about 10 minutes. Can I wait in the seating area? Yes, please take a seat over there. Should I give you my phone number? Yes, please write your number on this form. Okay, I wrote my name and number. Thank you. We will call your name soon. Thanks. I will wait right here. You are very welcome. Number 42, please. That is my number. Welcome back. Can I confirm your name? My name is Alex Smith. And your date of birth? March 15th, 1995. Perfect. Everything matches in our computer. Is my medicine ready? Yes, your prescription is ready in this bag. Did you include the doctor's instructions? Yes, all instructions are printed on the label. Are all 3 medicines inside? Yes, all 3 items are packed inside. Thank you for preparing it quickly. Let us review how to take them. Okay, I'm listening. I want to make sure you understand. I appreciate your care. Take this blue pill twice a day. Should I take it with food? Yes, take it after meals with water. What about the white bottle? Take the white bottle only before bedtime. Does the white pill cause drowsiness? Yes, it helps you rest at night. Should I avoid driving after taking it? Yes, do not drive after taking it. Are there any other side effects? You might feel a little dry mouth. Should I drink extra water? Yes, drink plenty of water throughout the day. For how many days do I take this? Finish the full 7-day course. Even if I feel better earlier? Yes, always complete the full course. I will follow these instructions carefully. Do you have any other questions? No, everything is very clear now. Where are the digital thermometers? They are right on this top shelf. Is this digital thermometer easy to use? Yes, it gives results in 5 seconds. Does it come with batteries included? Yes, batteries are already inside. Great, I will take 1 thermometer. Do you need facial tissues as well? Yes, pocket-sized tissue packs, please. Here is a pack of 5 tissues. Do you have small hand sanitizer bottles? Yes, right here by the cashier counter. I will take 1 travel sanitizer too. These daily items are very useful. Yes, it's good to have them at home. Is there anything else you need? No, that is all for today. Let us go to the register. I will scan your items now. Sounds good, thank you. Do you have a store membership card? No, I do not have one. Would you like to join today for free? Not today, thank you. No problem. Your total is $25. Can I pay with a credit card? Yes, we accept cards and cash. I will tap my contact list card here. Please tap your card on the reader. The screen says payment approved. Perfect. Here is your payment receipt. Would you like a paper bag? Yes, a paper bag, please. Here are your medicine and items. Thank you very much. My pleasure. Thank you for visiting Healthcare Pharmacy. Thank you for all your patient help. Please take your medicine as instructed. Yes, I will follow your instructions. Remember to drink plenty of warm water. I will drink lots of water today. And make sure to get good rest. I plan to rest this afternoon. If you have questions, call our counter. I saved your pharmacy phone number. That is wonderful. Have a nice day. Have a great day to you too. Feel better soon. Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the button and hit the bell.